I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Mono on Linux operating system, such as Red Hat, Fedora, SU, SC, etc. So first here, let's open this place terminal. So here, I'm going to write this command sudo dnf install mono complete. So this command you need to use to install the mono inside the Linux. Sudo dnf install mono complete. Press enter and now you can see here or this mono complete is going to install, and here this is dependency. So this all are dependencies that going to install mono core, here mono data, mono devel, etc. Write there y and press enter. So this here downloading the package important, total is 24 packages downloading, and here you can see the status. So this turn thereafter extracting, let's write there y, press enter. Now this is currently installing the 24 package. This turn thereafter here you need to use this clear command. If I write there mono ---- version, so you can see this here 614 Xamarin, this version that install. If I write there mcs ---- version, so you can see mono C# compiler 614 that install. mcs is working. Let's use their clear command. Now I'm going to write their C# program. So this is the simple C# program. Let's copy this one. Clicking on this plus, then paste there. Control S to save. So I'm going to save inside the download section. Selecting this all, let's give there hello dot. For C# we need to give the extension CS. Press enter. So file that's saved. Now thereafter the next is here we need to go on the download section. So let's close this one. File. So this here file is currently opening. Moving on this download. Here hello.cs. Right click, then open terminal again. Now there we need to do the compile and run. So increasing the size. Now for compiling we need to use the mcs, then hello.cs. So this compiled without any error, and hello exe file that's generated. To run this is for compiling here. Or now to run this, let's write there mono and here hello.exe. So hello world, that's the display. So this is how we can do the installation of Mono on Linux. Thereafter run the C# code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.